Hello everyone, my name is Justice and today I'm here live at Park Place, and next to me that is a 2017 Ford GT350R. I'll be taking you closer to show you what that car is like. It's beautiful and I can't wait to take you. So this is what the front of the 2017 GT350R is like. It has this beautiful line which is iconic, those lights and LED lights, and down here this is all carbon fiber. Under this hood here, this 2017 Ford GT350R is powered by a 5.2 liter V8, and the V8 engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, which makes it to be an amazing car. So I'm gonna take you closer. This is what the tires of the GT53R is like. Beautiful Brembo brakes, and here on the side, see GT350. And this is what the back is like. It has quad exhaust. And here is the GT50 and the Shelby logo, super. And if you're wondering what the inside of this beautiful Shelby 350R is like, that's what the inside is like. Shelby logo on the steering wheel, and that's all the control. And on this side is 2018 Shelby GT Super Snake. And the inside of this Super Snake, this red one, is the same, but that one has automatic transmission. This one has a manual transmission. And this has a Recaro seat, and on the back, huge storage compartment there. I think that's big enough to put seats if you want. And on the seat it says the R, which shows that this is the Mustang GT350R. And here we have the logo, and there's the radiator, and down here we have the Shelby boldly written, and this is all carbon fiber. If you're wondering, that's carbon fiber right there. And this is all functioning vent. Beautiful. I love these Mustang lights. So tell me what you think about this Mustang 2017 Mustang GT350R. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will be if you want more information about this car, you can check the description below. And thank you, and I will see you all next time.